Dragonflies with rainbow wings dance for happy hours. Drift, drift, drift along where silver fishes play. They twirl like shining sparkles bright beneath the golden day. Wave, 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 hello to dolphins in the blue. They leap and spin in circles wide and sing a song for you. Low glow evening comes, the sky is painted gold. The moon peeks out and whispers soft, your dreams are yours to hold. Row, row, row once more, under stars so bright, wishing on the twinkling sky as day fades into night. Row, row, row your boat, life's the wonderland. Every wave and every breeze is guided by your hand. Drift, drift, drift along where silver fishes play. They twirl like shining sparkles bright beneath the golden day. Wave, 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 hello to dolphins in the blue. They leap and spin in circles wide and sing a song for you. Wave, 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 hello to dolphins in the blue. They leap and spin in circles wide and sing a song for you.
A is wearing sparkles, twirling fast and bright. B is bouncing joyfully, what a funny sight. C slides in a circle, smooth as it can be. Come on, every letter, dance along with me. Dance, 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 letters on the floor. Wiggle, jiggle, giggle, who could ask for more? From A to Z, hip hooray, let's sway. It's a dancing letters party today. D does a disco, shining like a star. E hops excitedly, playing a guitar. F floats lightly like a feather in the air. G grooves gently, so much fun to share. H shakes its hands up, moving side to side. I spins in a twinkle, glowing with pride. J jumps jolly jingly, make a bell. K kicks happily, doing super well. Dance, 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 letters on the floor. Wiggle, jiggle, giggle, who could ask for more? From A to Z, hip hooray, let's sway. It's a dancing letters party today. L leaps lightly like a leaf in the breeze. M marches proudly with her neck ease. N nods joyfully with the friendly beat. O rolls around on its round little feet. P pops upward like popcorn in a pan. Q quivers cutely, big fan of this plan. R rocks gently like a rocking chair. S swishes smoothly, spinning everywhere. Taps from T, tiny steps from U. V vibes happily, dancing 2 by 2. W wiggles wide like a wave at sea. X crosses arms and spins joyfully. Yawns loudly, still dancing though. Z zooms quickly in a spark a tiny ice cream train. Children ran with happy giggles, waving hands up high. Here comes the ice cream parade! Hooray! They all cried. Scoops and swirls, colors so bright. Ice cream marching left and right. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla made. Welcome to the summer ice cream parade. The minty green cone twirled with a frosty little spin. Blueberry swirl sang loudly with a big blueberry grin. Rainbow sprinkle cone danced with sparkles in the air. And caramel drip followed slowly with sweetness everywhere. Scoops and swirls, colors so bright. Ice cream marching left and right. Cold and creamy, swirl and shade. Come join the summer ice cream parade. Swipe and grab. Banana pop hopped happily with a wiggle in its stick. Cookies and cream rolled forward, doing a silly trick. Orange sherbet scooted by in a citrusy swirl, waving at the sandy shore and every boy and girl. Drip, drop, don't stop, ice cream stop and hop. Sunny skies, warm breeze so sweet. Dancing scoops along the street. At the end of the parade, they built a frosty castle tall, made of scoops and cones and sprinkles. Oh, they used them all. Kids cheered yummy, laughing as they played. A magical finale for the summer ice cream parade. Scoops and swirls, colors so bright. Ice cream shining in the light. Everyone smiles in the cool shade. Hip, hip, hooray for the ice cream parade. Say parade. In the sunny shade playground on a bright, bright day, all the little shapes came out to laugh and play. Circle said, let's play a game. Who wants to hide with me? Square shouted, hide and seek. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hide and seek with shapes today. Find them as they run away. Round or pointy, big or small, let's try to find them all. Circle rolled behind a tree with a giggle soft and sweet. Triangle tiptoed quietly, staying light on her feet. Rectangle stretched long and tall behind a wooden slide. Star sparkled softly, saying, this is where I'll hide. Hide and seek with shapes today. They're hiding in the best way. Search up high and down so low. Ready, set, now go! Square was counting slowly. 8, 9, 10. Then he shouted loudly, here I come again. He looked behind the rainbow bench and found Oval fast asleep, and spotted little Diamond doing tiny secret leaps. Where did Circle roll away? Where does Triangle like to stay? Peek behind the bushes green. Shapes are hiding everywhere on screen. Square searched by the sandbox and the tall red swing. He found heart-shaped Holly wearing a sparkly ring. He checked inside the tunnel and behind the flower bed, then found Circle rolling out with a laugh and a bobbing head. Hide and seek with shapes today. Fun and learning all the way. Every shape comes out to play. Let's hide again another day. Hip, hip, hooray! kids, it's time to play. Let's count the numbers, dance today. Move your feet, sing along. Let's start our counting song. Number 1 jumps up so high, reaching, reaching for the sky. Number 2 spins round and round, twirling softly on the ground. Number 3 claps hands so fast, clap, 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 what a blast. Number 4 steps side to side, swing your arms and dance with pride. Number 5 is full of cheer, wiggle, giggle, the fun is here. Let's count together once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray, my friend! Number 6 does a jumping spin, round and round with a happy grin. Number 7 hops on one small toe, up and down, let's go, go, go. Number 8 waves both her hands, marching to the beat of the band. Number 9 slides